MiG-35 is a 4th generation fighter aircraft made in Russia, which was launched in 2007. This aircraft was designed as a replacement for the MiG-29 and has superior capabilities in air combat. The MiG-35 has more powerful engines and more advanced weapons systems than its predecessors. The aircraft is also equipped with modern avionics systems such as an AESA radar, tactical communication system, and friendly or target recognition system. In addition, the MiG-35 has the ability to engage ground targets using a variety of weapons including bombs and air-to-ground missiles. The aircraft is also capable of performing aerial surveillance missions and supporting ground troops by providing direct fire support. MiG-35 has high maneuverability and can reach a maximum speed of up to 2,400 km/h. This aircraft is also equipped with a thrust vectoring control system that allows the aircraft to perform extreme maneuvers and improve performance during air combat. Overall, the MiG-35 is a highly sophisticated and reliable fighter, capable of meeting the challenges of modern air combat. The aircraft is already in service with the Russian Air Force and is expected to be exported to other countries in the future. The development of the MiG-35 fighter in the future may include increasing capabilities and developing more sophisticated technologies. Some things that could be improved include engine upgrades. The MiG-35 can be upgraded with more powerful and efficient engines to increase the aircraft's speed and range. Avionics upgrades. Aircraft can be equipped with more advanced avionics technologies, including more sensitive radar systems and more accurate remote sensing systems. Improved armament. Aircraft can be equipped with more advanced weapons, such as far-reaching and more precise air-to-air missiles. Electronic system upgrades. Electronic systems can be upgraded to enhance the aircraft's ability to deal with electronic attacks and improve communication and defense capabilities. Unmanned vehicle development. The MiG-35 could be developed with unmanned vehicle technology to enhance aerial surveillance and intelligence capabilities. Improved maneuvering systems. The aircraft can be upgraded with more advanced maneuvering systems, such as the more sensitive and responsive thrust vector maneuvering technology. In the next few years, the development of the MiG-35 fighter aircraft will continue to grow with technological improvements and new innovations to improve aircraft capabilities and efficiency.